So today we discuss another important concept is dipole concept. Okay, that is dipole. The name suggests the dipole here is a two pole. Okay, suppose there is a two pole means one is a positive pole, so other is obviously a negative pole. Okay, and separation between two pole I said R is separation between these two charges or poles. Okay, so here that's the half of the that R by 2, that point. Okay, that point is called dipole center. For center, and that's also R by 2. And here the dipole concept is that these two charges have their magnitude be the same, means there is a value be the same. Therefore, this is a plus 10 coulomb charge. That's obviously a magnitude is a minus 10 coulomb charge. Okay, so means their number, numeric value be the same. Okay, but they are in opposite polarity. Okay, charge obviously is scalar quantity, but they are in opposite polarity, but their number will be the same. 10 coulomb, that is a minus 10 coulomb, that is a plus 5 coulomb, that is obviously minus 5 coulomb. Okay, so that's the basic concept, is they are the same. Now the another important, that is a vector term here, is dipole moment. And the important term is the dipole moment, and the dipole moment is a vector p, and the direction is minus 2 plus charge direction. That is the dipole moment vector. Okay, and that p, that is equal to the charge. If I say that is q, absolute value of charge, q either plus or minus, there is the absolute value of charge. Absolute value means the number, actually charge number of charge, that is q, and the separation between these two charges, that is r. Okay, that the p is a vector. Suppose that direction I say that r cap direction, or say that there is n cap direction. So that is a minus to plus direction. That's the dipole moment, and dipole moment is a vector. Charge is a scalar. Okay, that's the basic concept of dipole. Two charge, the equal magnitude, the separation, that is a dipole center. So in our class 12 physics, there is an important question: calculate electric field at axis of the dipole. So axis of the dipole means that a positive charge, that is a negative charge. If that is a plus 1 coulomb, that is minus 1 coulomb. Calculate electric field actually here. And calculate here means from dipole center. Calculating from, that is the dipole center. Dipole center to that point. Dipole center to that point. Here I say that point is the A. Calculate the electric field at point A from dipole center. From dipole center. Or calculate electric field from equatorial plane here. That's a plane. Sorry, that's the plane. Okay, and that point here, that is from dipole center. So here the calculation for dipole, that's from dipole center. Calculate from dipole center. Okay, so there is another important concept: when dipole place an external electric field, what will happen actually? That's a very important concept. Okay, calculation electric field on dipole axis of the dipole or equatorial plane, or what happens when we place a dipole in the external electric field. Okay, the change actually, so dipole actually rotate. There is a torque. That's a very important board exam. So that's these are concepts. Actually, there is a full lecture present. Okay, in that YouTube channel, in our YouTube channel. So if you want to see that lecture, I link that in I button, or there is a playlist here. I put that playlist also in I button. Okay, so that's the basic 5 minutes of dipole concept. Okay, that's actually a summary. Okay, so thank you.